Hi everyone, my name is Nyabil. Today I would like to show you how to do traditional couscous, which is made with corn flour. First, I wash my hand. So, dry it with a towel. Make sure your hand is very clean because you make it with your hand. So our couscous, we don't make it with macaroni or machine. We do it with our hands. It's a hand-made couscous. So we just make it with flour. We just corn flour. It's right here. So corn flour, as you see the sign. So this one is a white corn flour. It's not a yellow one. We have different type. We have corn, yellow corn, and then we have white corn. So to begin, so this one is the dough that we made for a couple of days, 2 days. So after it's become sour, so you have to put it in the fridge. If you want to make couscous, so you have to take it out. As you see, it's a dough. So this one is the one that I already made with water. This is a powder. So to start doing it, you have to take the bowl. So this is a bowl that I will put the couscous in it for me to roll it to become a ball size. So to begin, this one you have to take the dough. This one is the dough. As you see, you just put it in. So you have to make sure it's not really watery and it's not really powder. So because it seems like it's watery, it can become a ball without me adding the powder. So as you see, I had the powder. So it starts to make it to become rolls, like balls. So as you see, so you have to keep doing it. Put your hand in, make sure you bend your ball so that you will get good and the right size you want it. So most of the time, so we make it equally, but there is a different size within couscous. So we made a different type of food within couscous called walwal, but what I'm doing now is cook, which is couscous. So I'll be making medium size instead of large. So as you see, so you begin, you start doing it again and again, repeating it. Make sure you have to dip your hands inside to separate the side of it. So you have to make sure the big size drop down, and then after that you will mash it as a small one to become equal. So that's what you do. So you have to keep doing it. If you feel it like it's a bit watery, you have to add a bit of flour. So and then after that you have to just lift the plastic up like this. So to make sure that it's the size together and it's tight and good enough. So to be a roll. So that's how you do it. Keep repeating it again and again. Make sure your hands go like this. So your hand is up to separate the side. That's a way of separate the size. Most of the time the big size drop down and the small size stay up. So you're just gonna do it over and over and over. Sometimes if you are ready, you don't need a lot of it. So you have to make sure to let the big side come out. Like you just take it out because it's really big and it's not equal. So you have to put it back to your ball right here. So that it can stay there. Later on you will make a different dough if you feel like you want more. So you have to keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. So till the size is equal. As you see, it's not equal. So that's how we do our couscous, our hand couscous. So if you feel like it's powder, you have to add a bit water, to make it like so to make it like together, not to be powder and not to be very sticky. So equally, like separate, apart from each other. So that's how we do our couscous. This is a couscous. So what is already done is here. That's how it look when it's done. So right now, so as I'm done doing it, so I have to begin to cook it. This one is a part of the couscous that I show you. That is already one I did. So I have to go all the way to the stove. So this is the stove. So this is one in the pot. This is a pot you cook. This is a pot that you cook couscous with. So this is a couscous that I will put in the pot. So to begin, so I have to turn off the stove. So I have to make sure I give it a couple minutes for the pot to be hot. So before I add some of the stuff that will go together with it. So after, so it's become I have to make sure to keep shaking on it. This is the time. So it depends how much and how fast your time is, or how well it is, or how fast it is. So you have to, what you have to do before you put the couscous in, so you have to add the oil, a little bit of it. So the reason of the oil is not to stick under the pot. So here the oil is a canola oil. So you have to add any different kind of oil that you like to use during your cooking time. So you have to make sure the oil is all over the pot, so for your food not to stick. So after it's hot, so you have to take some of the couscous. Let's move a little bit, please. So some of the couscous, so you have to put it inside. Take it like handful of yours, so put it inside. But now while I'm waiting, so I have to wait so till it's hot. So it's almost hot. So it's not actually really hard. It's easy. For the first time you start or you just learn it, so it's a bit hard. But after that you find it easily. It will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. So to make the couscous to become a ball, right size, perfect right size that you want. That's not gonna be turn to be a powder later on. So now, so my pot is hot. So as you see, I have to put it in like this. I have to put it in. So I'll drop you off camera. Yeah, move a little bit to take the right picture. So like this. It's gonna be a bit quite long video. I won't gonna put it all of it because I don't want it to be sticky. I have to make sure that it's separate from each other, especially the side of it. So turn it here, Baba. So that's how it goes. So you might hear the sound that is coming out. So small sound, that's a sign to show you that it's cooking. So here you go. I'll leave the rest and put it later on. So now, so I can put the lid on of the pot to make it a steam. Like, you know, the steam of the pot can go in and make it start cooking. So right there, this one is a spoon. This one is water. This one is a spoon that I'll mix it with it. So as you see the side? See the side? That's how it begins. You see the difference between the cooked one and uncooked one? The cooked one look like dark white. Look clear. So then the uncooked one. See the difference? So you have to make sure to keep your stove a bit high. So keep mixing it so not to stick. So like this. So you have to keep doing it. You see the clear? So like this. Like this. So you keep a little bit. You wanna go with them? So sorry, we are a bit busy here. My son wanna go to school, so but I just at the same time I want him to help me taking the video. You see, you just have to keep doing it, keep mixing it. So every second you feel like under of it is steam already. So you have to make sure the side become clear, all the side of the couscous. So So 1 second. So it's almost done. So this is really good. It's wonderful. So I learned this cooking when I was young, around 13, because I have my sibling who just cooked this food for me, because I find it like it's really hard for me to learn this, but after I learn it, it's really fun and enjoyable. So I like this. So I have to keep opening it again. Open it. So you have to go back to it. So you have to make sure to keep mixing. This part is really good. It's non-stick, so it's hard for this part to stick, which is good. It's how you see there's no burn part, so you have to just keep doing it. So make sure that the stove is in the right number of the high or maybe the low, so for you not to burn your couscous. So this is easy peasy. So as a Nuer couscous, so I really enjoyed it, and I believe you guys maybe will enjoy how to do it. I hope you can get enough of it, or how I introduce it to you guys. So if you have any question, leave your comment. I'm very happy that you guys take time to watch this, and I'm really glad and proud of myself as well that I come up with this, even though it's not easy. So to show you guys as my experience. So I hope you will enjoy it. Have a good day. That's how it is, so as you see it. So thank you.